I haven't made a video in a while. Figured I'd make one. Although this looks like chaos right now, it's actually not. I'm doing everybody's favorite job of wiring. So, although this may look like chaos, do yourself a favor. So what I'm doing right here is I'm wire tucking the engine bay. All the wires from the engine bay came in, fuse boxes, everything like that, and I had to hide them or integrate them into the harness so they're not all over the place, which they look like they are now. But although it looks like chaos, I know where everything's going. These are all my wires that are going to go to my fuse panel. This right here is my AC and my charging system. These are my headlights. This big blue heavy gauge wire is my headlights. My low beams. Pink wire here is my high beams. These are the turn signals. And I think, actually I got these reversed, I think. But I'll figure it out. Those are easy. Down here, AC. These are all my stock relays. What was this one? Oh, that was the start inhibit. I can't see that one. Headlight 1, headlight 2. This is your high beam and low beam. So just do yourself a favor. Buy yourself a cheap label maker off of Amazon and label everything. That helps out with confusion and stuff like that. So, but yeah. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put the fuse box because I deleted the stock fuse box. It's too bulky. And I made something extremely bulky to replace it with. But this is going to be my fuse panel for the car. Switch fuses up here. These are going to be constant powers. I'm not sure how I'm going to have this ran yet. The one relay is probably going to be either my fans, and I was going to run the headlight off another circuit so I can have a clean power going to the headlight so I don't get that flicker from the HIDs. The car stock ran with HIDs, but I noticed when I put a new box on, I still had issues with it, so I'm just going to run my own circuit. This big Mamma Jamma right here, this is a big 70 amp relay. This is probably either going to run, actually probably should have this run the fans. That would be a smart idea. 70 amp relay to run the fans, and these two 30 amps here could do a small job. But right now I have it ran to the switched fuses, so this will run accessory power to whatever I want to run, or I can switch this around, do whatever the hell I want with it. This isn't, its final form. But this relay right here is the fan control. So this is a temperature, this is an adjustable fan switch, so I can adjust the temperature. There's a little pot right here, down here, and I can see it. Twist that, adjust the temperature of the fans. That will control the fans because I do not have stock fans on this, and I did not feel like trying to figure out the stock fan wiring. I just said, screw it all. I'll run my own temperature control circuit. And that's pretty much it. That's how everything's going right now with the car. I stopped working on it for a little while for winter, but summer's coming. I'm back on it. I want to get this ready for the summer season. Computer's already back. Got it tuned at Nis Formants. I got to make my 3-inch intake. I have my 3.5-inch on there right now, but the stock tune from Nis Formants is for 3-inch, so I have to downgrade for right now until I can get this thing tuned. But yeah, so that's how everything's going right now. And I got a new seat, got a racing seat to put in this thing for right now because the stock seat, driver's side seat for this thing is heavy as hell, and I didn't want it. And I'm probably gonna do the passenger side too. Might as well. They're cheap seats, like 150 bucks. But yeah, car's coming along okay. Summer's coming, trying to get it ready. So there we go. And I guess I'll talk to you guys later.